I know you don't want to hear it, but the milk you're drinking out of that jug is not real milk. Real milk is not homogenized or pasteurized or fortified. When we fortify milk with calcium, your body can't uptake that calcium as it should anyway. Homogenation means they change milk at the molecular level, and pasteurization means they heat the milk up to a very high temperature, which not only kills the bad bacteria, but the good bacteria. So if you were to drink milk, it's better to drink whole milk right from the cow when it's not homogenized and pasteurized. But the best way to get your calcium is either through green vegetables or supplementation.